Hey, what's going on? Welcome to these dance tutorials. Today we are gonna be learning the shoot.
Real party rocker, I got baddies in the hills, and we ain't talking money if it ain't about some meals, ayy.
Okay, we're gonna break that move down bit by bit. First, we're gonna focus on the leg, okay? You want the leg to kick out like a lever, okay? And an important part of this is that you don't need to swing this leg too far back, okay? You just need it to be quick because it's really important that you can do it fast enough to where you can actually time it with your arm, because having these be in sync with each other is absolutely key to making the shoot look good, okay? So first we're gonna focus on this, all right? This leg, this kick here, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick, 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 that kick, 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 okay? Beautiful, that's fantastic. Now we're gonna do a very similar motion, but we're gonna do it with the upper body, okay? We're gonna do it with our arm. It's very similar. You don't need to do a big swing, none of that crazy stuff, okay? We're gonna do the exact same thing, but just with our arm, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was awesome. Great job out there. Okay, now we're gonna focus on the hop. We're gonna do the leg kick and the hop at the same time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, hop, hop, kick, and hop that hop. Beautiful. Next piece of the shoot is we have to bend backwards. You're bending back and then you're snapping forward. And it sounds painful, but I promise you it's not, okay? So we're just gonna practice the bend back. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and bend back, bend back, bend back, bend back. All right? Now, we're gonna put it all together, okay? And it's gonna look fantastic, okay? Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! Okay? You can switch up the arm position. You can have it up top. You can swing it down with the leg. All right, now we're gonna do the shoot with music, okay? Jordan. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Miss me with the drama, all I wanna do is chill. Maybe I'm the problem, catch me running through the field. Real party rocker, I got baddies in the hills, and we ain't talking money if it ain't about some meals, ayy.
That's the shoot. You just crushed it, okay? Thank you for watching these dance tutorials. Be sure to check out our episode on the shoot that we did with MLB baseball player Jesse Biddle. Please like and subscribe, okay? Just like and subscribe below. And also be sure to watch the shoot dance history lesson.